For me, one of the eye-opening moment was when I learned how to use this func. So, in Golang, you have a great standard library. And in some modules, you have functions, variations with func. So, for example, in slices, we have this contains. This contains is very straightforward. You pass it some slice and check if this slice contains the element. And if I run it, it does. Okay. If you need to do more logic on it, it becomes a bit more complicated because you cannot, like, I don't know, ask it to check to include only elements that start with M, for example. So if I do this and run the test, obviously nothing printed. Great. In these cases, actually, enters the ContainsFunc. With this ContainsFunc, you can pass an additional function with the actual element as a passed type and do additional logic on it. And I do understand this a bit confusing, like when you start to use these generics, it's complicated. Yeah, I do understand that because it was same for me. But when you learn the actual syntaxes of these generics, they become easy. So we are going to use slices and ContainsFunc. Like the contains, we are going to pass the slice, and now we need to pass the function. I have my LSP set up, so I can just pass this, so do less typing. Now, this function, it's a usual simple Golang function. I do understand that looking at these shenanigans, it's strange, but you have to just understand that this f and this func, it's a simple Golang function. So you just have to pass a parameter and a function and a parameter type. For example, I'm going to pass element L, and the type it's a string, like this. Okay, and I need to return something. Let's do one little adjustment here, so it's more easier to read and to understand. I'm just going to put this on new line and also this on new line and this like this. Okay, great. Now adding a semicolon so we can like really separate the lines. Now it's a simple Golang function, so I can just go here and return false. Done. As you can see, all the syntax error are gone. Obviously it's not used, so it's complaining, but it's a warning. Now, how this is useful? Now I can use, for example, another powerful tool of Golang, the standard library. It's strings and has prefix, for example. Now I can check if this element, so L, contains M. This has prefix, returns a boolean, so it's a perfect for this function. Now, when I'm going to run this, so if this function contains an element that starts with M, we're going to return the same, like this. Let's run it. Yeah, so we have it. It's like really simple. When you start to understand it, like it's becomes to be like very natural. I really use it a lot right now. And more to this, we can use it with slices of structs. So I have my cheat. I don't know how to call it, like this. My slice like this. Okay, great. So let me delete this, and now I can redo this function so it's just easier to understand, and for integration purposes it's always good to retype it. I have this slice of same type. For example, I have job type, insecurity, and stuff like this. Okay, I want to find in this slice of types of types of structs. I want to find in this slice of structs element that job type equals make. With a simple contains, I can do it, but it's more confusing. And with ContainsFunc, it's like easy, like very, very easy, and the code reads nice. So let's redo it. So slices that contain func. I'm going to pass my slice, and now, yes, like this, great. Just for this, I'm going to separate it to a new line, like this. Good. Now, I need to pass the function as usual. Now, I am not work with strings anymore. I work with a struct. So I'm going to take this struct, like the element, give it the struct type, and now, comma here, okay, return the usual true, for example. Okay, now we can do the same, because now we have the access to the element. So element dot is the same. So strings that has prefix, we can take the element and job type and m. If one of these elements start with letter m, the usual if, this like this, I'm going to, I don't have it anymore, so I'm gonna reprint it like this. It does, yes, like this, and it's fine. Okay, now print it. It does. So you see, when you understand how to use these additional func methods, it becomes easy to use them, and they are very, very handy. So if you learned something new today, give me a like, maybe a subscribe, and see you in the next video.